What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna put a new deck on this trailer. It's needed it for a very long time. It's well overdue. Might do a little painting, fix a couple minor issues. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll show you how I do it. Alright, so here's what I got so far. Got the deck off. Got all the old bolts and screws that I couldn't get out with screwdriver. Grind it off. I got some rust I gotta try to take care of, and a couple other issues, but yeah, that's where we're at so far. Okay, just a little update. We've got the boards cut to size and a couple coats of some outdoor like deck stain on the wood, just letting that dry. I found a couple spots I needed to weld. Not the prettiest welds, but better than nothing. And I've gone through and thrown some Rust-Oleum paint on some of the rust that I tried to scrape off. So I'll probably put some more paint on it tomorrow and finish putting the deck on. But yeah, that's where I'm at for now. Well, there's the finished product. Turned out all right. I'm pretty happy with it. A little bit of paint, some new wood. It's good to go for a while. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.